Are your favorite prebiotic sodas really helping your gut health, or are you just sipping on empty promises? In today's video, we're uncovering the truth behind Poppi Prebiotic sodas. We'll see if they live up to the hype, compare them to other popular sodas, and offer a genuinely effective prebiotic alternative. Let's get started. Poppi Prebiotic sodas claim to boost your gut health with prebiotic fiber from agave inulin. However, a recent class action lawsuit suggests that these trendy drinks might not deliver the benefits they promise. According to the lawsuit, Poppi sodas contain only 2 grams of prebiotic fiber per serving. Research shows that you need to consume over 4 cans a day to see any real gut health benefits. That's a lot of soda. While Poppi Lemon Lime Soda has only 5 grams of sugar, a can of Sprite, its leading counterpart, contains a whopping 38 grams of sugar. Although Poppi is the lesser evil in terms of sugar content, its prebiotic benefits are minimal. The lawsuit also highlights potential health risks from consuming inulin in higher doses, such as inflammation and liver damage. This raises questions about the safety of trying to get your prebiotics from Poppi sodas in large quantities. If you're looking for an effective prebiotic drink, try chia seed water. Chia seeds are packed with soluble fiber, which serves as a prebiotic to support healthy gut bacteria. How to make chia seed water? Simply mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into a glass of water. Let it sit for about 10-15 minutes until the seeds form a gel-like consistency. Drink up and enjoy the natural prebiotic benefits. For those curious about the health benefits of prebiotics and how to incorporate them into your diet, consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. Have you tried Poppi Prebiotic sodas? What are your thoughts on their health claims? Drop a comment below and let us know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful videos.